Students, here we have question number 4 of dimensional analysis, converting the unit case. Suppose we are given some constant which is not familiar with us. We don't know that constant in detail. Then also we can convert that constant from one system to another. So, in this question, one constant is appearing, Stephen's constant. It is denoted by the symbol sigma. Its value is given and unit is given. A detailed unit is given. Erg second power minus 1, centimeter power minus 2 and K means Kelvin power minus 4. This system, from this system we have to go in SI system. So first of all, this system it is centimeter, erg, this kind of. That means from CGS we have to go into SI system. That means our CGS is 1 and SI is 2 system. Secondly, we need the dimensional formula of sigma. That means the powers of MLT. How do we get it? We will get it from the unit itself. How do we get it? From erg. Erg means energy. So what we will do for energy? Energy formula is m1 L2 T power minus 2. ओके, अर्ग को रिप्लेस किया उसके डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला से. नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड. सेकेंड मीन्स टाइम, टी पावर माइनस 1 बिकॉज हियर पावर माइनस 1 इज देयर. नेक्स्ट इज सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर मीन्स लेंथ, लेंथ पावर माइनस 2. एंड नेक्स्ट इज केल्विन. केल्विन पावर माइनस 4. Okay, finally what are the powers? M final power is 1 only. L power, you see L power 2 and L power minus 2, so it will become 0. T power minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3 and K power minus 4. We have got these final powers of sigma, but the problem is that other than MLT we have got one more term K. So what will happen in case if we are getting 4 terms? So this formula will also get extended and here we can write as K1 upon K2 power D in this formula. Okay, so the meaning is that we are converting from CGS to SI unit, and because M, L, T, K are appearing, so here also we need M, L, T, K box. Let us start now applying in this formula. N2 value we have to find out. That means in SI system, the value of Stephen constant we have to obtain. N1 is that value which is given, so 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 5. After that we have to make 4 boxes. That means 4 brackets with powers. Powers are M, L, T, K. Powers are written 1, 0, minus 3, minus 4. Then we have to write here upons, that means ratios. ऊपर हमें चाहिए M1, L1, T1, K1. So one system होता है जो given हो. Given है CGS. So उसके ऊपर आएगा ग्राम, सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड, और केल्विन को हम यहाँ K लिखेंगे, 1 केल्विन, because in CGS system also if temperature is measured it will be in Kelvin only. No detailed specification is given, so we will assume Kelvin only. Then in the same manner upon में वो system आता है जिसमें वैल्यू फाइंड करनी हो. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है SI में, इसलिए नीचे SI system आएगा. SI system is kg meter second and here also Kelvin. Okay, so mainly this box will not affect the value of Stephen's constant. This is already going to get cancelled, so let us solve. 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 5 as it is. Then gram and gram cancelled. Kilo, that means 10 raised to power 3, it will be shifted, it will become 10 raised to power minus 3. Got it? We have done already this in detail. किलो अपॉन में है 10 raised to power 3, ऊपर आएगा तो 10 raised to power minus 3 हो जाएगा. सारी टर्म्स को न्यूमरेटर पे लाना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट मीटर एंड मीटर कैंसल्ड, बट ओके we have here power 0. Now you must have studied x raised to power 0 is always 1. That means anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So this is substituted 1. Next is this and this getting cancelled. So 1 की पावर कुछ भी हो, 1 ही आंसर आता है. Here also 1 power anything, answer is 1 only. So finally only this box is affecting the value of Stefan's constant. So we have got 5.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 answer. 5 and 3, 8. Okay. Now how do we make the unit? So we can replace all these terms in SI system. This was CGS, we will replace in SI. अर्थ की जगह क्या आएगा SI सिस्टम में? जूल. सेकेंड यानी टाइम ही रहता है सेकेंड. सेंटीमीटर की जगह आएगा मीटर, पावर्स वही रहेंगी. केल्विन की जगह केल्विन. दिस वे वी हैव गॉट द फाइनल आंसर along with the unit. So students, as you have seen that here we have entered fourth bracket. It may also happen that these three brackets are not required. Like if we talk about acceleration. Now acceleration formula is L power 1 T power minus 2. So only two boxes will also work. L1 upon L2 power A, T1 upon T2 power B. This way also the formula can be prepared. If only two terms are appearing in the dimensional formula, you can also limit the formula for two boxes. Okay? Or if we can also do, we can put M power 0. So here M box will have power 0. Okay? So this way the powers are handled. So you have to remember, if any fourth term is appearing like ampere, so ampere upon ampere will come, power D will come. Okay?